Today in this video, I will explain you about size of companies and their market cap. There are three types of companies. First, large cap company. Large cap company have a market capitalization of greater than 10,000 crore. Mid cap company. Mid cap company have a market capitalization greater than 1,000 crore and less than 10,000 crore. Small cap company. Small cap company have a market capitalization less than 1,000 crore. To understand everything in detail, stay with us till the end. As a beginner, we have a lot of questions when we invest in the stock market. We need to develop sufficient expertise to analyze which stock are a better fit for our investing plans and priorities, because the stock market has a diverse investing options. Each offering offers a different level of risk and a different level of return potential. Companies traded on the stock exchanges can be categorized into these three boards, categorized based on their market capitalization. This classification are important to understand the behavior of the stock. Large cap. Large cap companies have a market cap greater than 10,000 crore, suitable for investors with a long-term investing horizon looking for lower risk, less volatile and highly liquid, little risk, relatively lower returns, good reputation and higher chance of generating stable income. Mid cap. Mid cap companies have a market cap greater than 1,000 crore and less than 10,000 crore, suitable for moderate risk tolerance with a long-term investing horizon, relatively more volatile and quite liquid, higher risk than large cap, relatively higher return potential. Small cap. Small cap companies have a market cap less than 1,000 crore, suitable for risk-seeking investor, highly volatile and less liquid, higher risk, higher returns, higher potential for growth compared to large cap and mid cap. Let's dive in deeper. Large cap companies. Large cap companies are large, well established and has a long history. They are relatively less risky because they have long operating history and large market. They are stable as large businesses and therefore have low potential returns. Let's take the case of Reliance Industries, which has a profit of rupees 50,000 crore. Now they will must find another 50,000 crore of earning to double their profits, which will take time as compared to company with 50 crores. Large cap companies, 50,000 crore to 1 lakh crore. Limited opportunities. Small cap companies, 50 crores to 100 crores. Multiple opportunities. Small cap companies. Small cap companies enterprises has a market capitalization of rupees 700 crores and a profit of 30 to 50 crores. They are not as stable as large cap companies. They have a lot of uncertainty about scaling up as they will be experimenting with new ideas. As a result, they have a high risk, but they also have a large returns potential if they succeed in scaling up. Sharma Limited Corporation, which has a market capitalization of 50 crore, seeks to quadruple its profitability. They have way more opportunities as compared to 50,000 crore company trying to quadruple. Mid-cap companies. Mid-cap companies are usually very useful in portfolio diversification as they provide a balance of growth and stability. They have a relatively smaller share in the market in compared to the large cap companies. They have higher risk than large cap companies but lower risk than small cap companies. They offer lower potential returns than small cap companies and higher return potential than large cap companies. Blue Star has a market cap of 9,477 crore, which falls under the range of 5,000 to 20,000 crore. So we can say that it is a mid cap company.